The concept of bans, implications and effectiveness. Bans are regulatory measures imposed by governments or organizations that prohibit specific activities, behaviors, or products. They can be enacted for various reasons, including public health, safety, environmental protection, and moral or ethical concerns. The effectiveness and implications of bans can vary significantly depending on their context, scope, and enforcement mechanisms. One of the most common types of bans is related to public health. For instance, many countries have implemented bans on smoking in public places to reduce exposure to secondhand smoke and promote healthier environments. These bans have been shown to decrease smoking rates and improve public health outcomes, such as reduced incidence of respiratory diseases and improved air quality. However, the success of such bans often depends on public support, proper enforcement, and the availability of cessation programs for those seeking to quit smoking. Environmental protection is another critical area where bans are frequently employed. Governments may impose bans on certain chemicals, single-use plastics, or activities that threaten ecosystems, such as illegal logging or overfishing. For example, the ban on the use of microbeads in personal care products has been implemented in several countries to prevent water pollution and protect marine life. While these bans can lead to positive environmental outcomes, their effectiveness is often contingent on comprehensive enforcement and public compliance. Bans can also have social and ethical dimensions. For instance, some countries have instituted bans on the sale of certain types of products, such as alcohol, based on cultural or religious beliefs. While proponents argue that these bans uphold societal values and protect vulnerable populations, opponents often claim that such measures infringe on personal freedoms and rights. The debate surrounding these bans highlights the tension between public interest and individual liberties. Despite their potential benefits, bans can also lead to unintended consequences. For instance, prohibitive measures on certain substances, such as drugs, may drive their use underground, complicating enforcement and potentially exacerbating health crises. The war on drugs in many countries has illustrated how bans can create black markets, leading to increased crime and violence rather than the desired reduction in drug use. Moreover, the effectiveness of bans often depends on public awareness and education. A ban without adequate public understanding may lead to confusion and non-compliance. Therefore, it is crucial for governments and organizations to accompany bans with educational campaigns that inform the public about the reasons behind the regulations and the expected benefits. Bans serve as important tools for addressing public health, environmental protection, and social issues. While they can lead to significant positive outcomes, their success largely depends on context, enforcement, and public support. Understanding the complexities surrounding bans can help policymakers design more effective regulations that balance public interests with individual rights. As societies grapple with ongoing challenges, the thoughtful implementation of bans may contribute to healthier, safer, and more sustainable communities.